In this video, we will install Windows 10 on your Intel-based MacBook using Boot Camp. This guide will help you set everything up for work, gaming, or any programs that run better on Windows. If you want to update to Windows 11, it is better to do so after installing Windows 10. This will help you avoid keyboard issues during installation. However, this video will only cover the installation of Windows 10. Before we begin, check that your MacBook has an Intel processor and not Apple Silicon. Boot Camp works only on Intel models. Make sure you have a good internet connection, at least 40 to 60 GB of free space. Let's start with the most important first step. Download the Windows 10 ISO. Visit the official Microsoft website, select Windows 10 and download the ISO file. Save it somewhere easy to locate. Next, open Boot Camp Assistant. Go to Applications, then Utilities, and launch Boot Camp Assistant. Click Continue to start the process. Select the ISO and set the partition. Choose the Windows 10 ISO you downloaded. Pick how much space you want for Windows. At least 40 GB is needed, but choose 80 GB or more if you plan to install games or large apps. Create the Windows partition, click Install. Next, the MacBook will restart, and the entire process will continue automatically. You will need to follow the steps for a standard Windows 10 installation. I won't dwell on these steps, you can just press pause and take a look at them. After successfully installing Windows, go to Settings and disable User Account Control. Install Boot Camp drivers. Once Windows is ready, the Boot Camp installer will open. Install all drivers for your keyboard, trackpad, Wi-Fi, and graphics. When it finishes, restart your MacBook. If for some reason Boot Camp did not open or you accidentally closed it, you can access it on the mounted disk. After restarting your computer, you may wonder what to do next. How do I switch back to macOS? So there are several options here. The first is to restart the computer again and hold down the Option button. The second step is to go to the tray and click on the Boot Camp program. A window will appear allowing you to select the disk from which you want to boot. It's very simple. When you are on macOS, you can click on Search. Then enter Startup Disk and open it. A menu will appear where you can select Windows and change the system. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and share it with others who need this. Support my channel, links will be below this video. There are many interesting things in the store.